Which one would you choose and why?
Would say yung clear quartz.
Clear quartz.
Yeah.
Bakit?
Kasi yung clear quartz, ma'am, it amplifies the energy
Of other
of other crystals, ma'am. The same time, meron po yan siya for
Yung purifying negative energy. So it cleanses the aura around the crystal,
crystals.
especially
Yan,
if you're
ma'am.
wearing it.
Kumbaga, kung ikaw ang sumusuot yan, kasama mo yung ibang yung mga other people sa ano mo sa group, at least yung energy lang, mga bad energy nila, maano mo talaga, ma-remove mo kasi suot-suot mo yun eh. Kumbaga, it help the energy in the room change into good energy na. Kumbaga, maganda talaga yan. Kung ba as a person, ganun din, sana.
Dapat po ba hindi tinatanggal?
Actually, you have to remove it when you cleanse it. Like it's done once a month po.
Okay.
So cleansing crystals naman po is done once a month, and ideally sa full moon kasi the full moon is energizing and cleansing. Pero sometimes because of our busy schedule, no, hindi natin na kailangan kasi abangan yung full moon. So minsan we recommend na lang po yung sage or yung mga selenite, yan way of cleansing crystals.
So ano lang, parang
Yung
bihira
parang-
mo lang dapat tanggalin.
Yeah, bihira, yes.